Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to show you guys this new oil that I found. This is all Ayurveda. It's an herbal hair oil. So to start with, I got all these products from Amazon. I'm going to be using Chebe powder, Amla, Brahmi, some oil, some essential oils, and this hair oil mix that I got from Amazon. I'm going to put all the links and description in the description box. So to start with, I'm going to be taking out the neem stick. That's what I'm going to use as my base, not necessarily base, but I'm just taking it out, and then add all the other herbs that come with a pack. You can absolutely get them individually if you don't find this particular mix. Okay, so first off, I'm using 2 tablespoons of Chebe powder, 1 tablespoon of Amla, and 1 tablespoon of Brahmi. And it depends on how much you want. It depends on the quantity you're looking for, but you can reduce all of these by half to suit you. This is optional, but I added a half teaspoon of MSM. I'm going to put all the benefits and everything in the link down below. Okay, so I go ahead and add my oils. You can absolutely use whatever oil you want. Okay, so I'm starting with my avocado oil. I didn't really measure, to be honest. The spoon was just there. I just poured about 3 tablespoons, but it doesn't really matter. It's just oils. Okay, I put some vitamin E, I put some argan oil, and then later on you're gonna see I'm gonna add olive oil, coconut oil. This is castor oil, and then I added some essential oils. I think I used lavender and peppermint. Okay, now the oil you want the most depends on you. I personally use olive oil the most. Like, I pour the most olive oil, and you don't have to use all these particular oils. It all depends on you and what works for your hair. Okay, but one oil needs to be more than the others. Okay, so currently this is how my oil looks. I'm gonna leave it for some days. You can speed up the infusion process by putting that in hot water so you can use it immediately, but this is how it looked after 3 days. I did not film, but I left it for another 2 days. Okay, so I'm using a strainer, but you could use any sieve, stocking cap, whatever. Look how pure that looks. Oh my gosh. But I did this a couple of times. Okay, so it depends on you and what you use, but this is how it looked immediately. I poured that through the strainer, and then I did that through a gauze, so it's like pure, and I'm able to trap all the powder particles and all of that. So this is how my oil looked after the second time. It was darker the first time. That's it over there. Okay, I'm gonna keep the herbs that I used so I can use it like a second or third time before throwing it away or making a new batch. I'm gonna keep it in like a dark, cool place. Okay, then I can use it the next time. But that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.